Good morning class. As you know beta, in our previous video we have completed our question number first of exercise 1.4. Now we will solve our second question and third question. So the second question is Sarthak completed his painting in 14 by 9 days and Ankita completed the same painting in 23 by 21 days. Who completed the painting faster and by how much time? In this question, we have two persons. One is Sarthak and another is Ankita. Sarthak takes time equal to 14 by 9 days to complete the painting and Ankita take times 23 by 21 days to complete the painting. Firstly, we have to find out which rational number is greater between 14 by 9 and 23 by 21. Then we can say that which one of Sarthak and Ankita completed the painting faster. Okay, and then we find the required time by subtracting smaller number from greater. Okay, so the time taken by Sarthak is equal to 14 by 9 days. Okay, and the time taken by Ankita is equal to 23 by 21. So firstly we have to compare 14 by 9 and 23 by 21. So how can we compare? Firstly we have to check whether their denominator is same or not. Okay, so the denominator in 14 by 9 is 9 and in 23 by 21 is 21. So we have two rational number. First is 14 by 9 and second is 23 by 21. Both have the different denominator. So firstly we have to take the LCM of denominator. So the LCM of 9 and 21 is 63. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to make their denominator same by multiplying the suitable number. Okay. So if we want to make this 9 63, so we have to multiply by 7 both to the numerator also and to the denominator also. In that case, the 14 by 9 is equal to 14 by 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 98 by 63. And in the same manner, when we have to make the denominator in 23 by 21 as 63, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. And this will become equal to 69 by 63. Now 14 by 9 is become 98 by 63 and 23 by 21 is become 69 by 63. Okay. So which number is greater between 69 and 98? 98 is greater than 69. So the greater number is this. So who takes the more time? Sarthak takes the more time. And who takes the lesser time? Ankita take the lesser time. So who complete the painting fastly? Who take the lesser time? So Ankita complete the painting faster. Okay. Now what we have to find? Now we have to find the difference. So to find the difference, we have to subtract smaller number from greater. So the smaller number is 23 by 21. So the time is equal to 14 by 9 minus 23 by 21. Again the LCM is same, that is 63. And when we divide 63 by 9, what will come? 7. And when we divide 63 by 21, what will come? 3. So after solving this multiplication, what we have? We have the value of time is equal to 98 minus 69 by 63. And the difference is equal to 29 by 63. So the answer is 29 by 63 days. This is the solution of your second question. Now we will solve our third question. So the statement of third question is, a car is moving at a speed of 130 by 3 km per hour and the time taken by the car is 29 by 26 hour, and we have to calculate the distance completed by the car in 29 by 26 hour. So the speed of car is 130 by 3 km per hour. Okay, and the time is 29 by 26 hour. We have speed and we have time, and what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the distance. So what is the formula of distance? The formula of distance is speed multiplied by time. So the formula of distance is speed multiplied by time. So the distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So we have to multiply 130 by 3 to 29 by 26. So the distance is equal to the multiplication of 130 by 3 and 29 by 26. So the distance is equal to 130 by 3 multiplied by 29 by 26. So numerator should be multiplied by numerator, denominator should be multiplied by denominator. Now 26 is the highest common factor between numerator and denominator. So 26 1 ja 26 and 26 5 ja 130. So this is equal to 29 5 ja by 3 1 ja. So the required answer is 145 by 3 kilometer. Kilometer is here because the unit of distance is kilometer. So the answer is 145 by 3 kilometer. So this is the solution of your third question. I hope you will get all these three questions. If you have any doubt, we will take that doubt in our online class. Thank you. Have a nice day.